Welcome back, it's your lousy Florida gardener. Gonna talk to you today about some tools. Some of us get into gardening who've never had any agricultural background or any type of farm work background. And we get interested and you go to looking for tools. So we go to the hardware store, and one of the first tools usually you start with is a shovel. So you go in there and you tell him you're looking for a good shovel. And usually if he's gonna ask you what you're gonna do with that shovel. First time buyer like that's gonna say, I'm gonna dig with it. He's gonna reach over and he's gonna get you a round pointed shovel. That's the best shovel to dig with. As you go, you're gonna start deciding that you need to move dirt. And you're gonna start using that round pointed shovel and you're gonna figure out it's okay, but it ain't the best. Let me give you a demonstration here of what I'm talking about. This pile of dirt, if you were gonna move it, as you get down and go and through it, and you don't wanna dig up what's under it, you're gonna try to scoop it. Well, as you go, you're gonna notice your shovel doesn't really stay in the spot that you want. And the reason is the bottom of that shovel is round. That shovel's designed to dig and break dirt away, to dig up. You can see the crown on it so it rides one way or the other. But what you need if you plan on moving a lot of dirt as you get into gardening and moving, relocating piles, is a flat pointed shovel, much like this one. You can see the back of that shovel. It's flat. It's gonna ride the way that you push it, and it makes where you can put it on the ground flat and shove it and get you dirt. Now you can see that makes a much flatter surface. So if you're trying to grade something off or you're trying to gather dirt. So as you grow and progress in your gardening, you find tasks that are really difficult. There may be some answers out there and some solutions and just some affordable tools. Check it out, do a little research, buy the right tool. It makes gardening so much easier and so much more enjoyable. Appreciate y'all following.